The cultists in Nigeria, mostly at those states, I just come out this morning at the paro. At the paro for all those cultists within Nigeria, mostly at those states. Now they fool on yourself. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. If you know say you be cultist, you dey kill your own fellow brother, you not get sense. I just can't use the opportunity to advise all those people where they be where they kick up and down. Una not get sense. Now poverty they worry now. Imagine the cockability. What did they worry on herself? Una go jail court to the key innocent people. Where be say government they there for that to use my unity. Come back together. Wanna go meet government. Wanna ask government what the government will take benefit to now. Now they kill each other. At the paro, not be like this morning, video I don't watch it yesterday, the way they kill innocent people for Benin. At the shame for all the cultists within Nigeria. At the shame for now. Okay, may I ask now one question? Una not be big men where they cultists. Like Davido now, if he carry gun go keep person. Whiskey if he carry gun go keep person. Eh? Two-Face, not be cultist. He go fit carry gun go keep person. Eh? Una no people where they cultists where be say they wear. Don't fit carry gun go keep person. All those poor people wey never see food eat. Mumu people. Your call say be cultist. No, they call cultist. Eh? Now illiteracy they worry all of na illiteracy. I want to tell you now. Eyo, aye, Bokanian, Maf, Arobaga, una dey craze. Una not get sense. Which day una don't unite? Una still call una self say mo still do meeting. More go meet government. Say, see what we because we're not viral. If you look the old cultists, don't be waiting that they had again. All the old cultists not viral. Which cultists they not? Even they get branch abroad. Come Europe, make us see the old cultists. They get branch everywhere. They get branch abroad, get branch everywhere for the world. Now don't viral. Now don't viral full everywhere. Still yet, now don't use no sense. More gather together. Say okay, now let's go and meet federal government or state government. More demand something from them. What you go help? Okay, wanna look Niger Delta. No, you see Niger Delta militant. Now cut this the BO, but they're tight. Don't they key anyhow? If they want key, don't say they want key. Don't they key anyhow? All those Niger Delta cultists, does not be cultists. Niger Delta militant, they be cultists. Those that they wear. All those local Benin people they say cultists. You all come out, you fly blue beret, come out fly black beret, cause the form say, my God, now poverty they worry you. If you don't make money, you'll know say. This is why they tell you the truth. If you don't really make money for life, you'll come see and say, really? To even come and say you be cultist, the shame not let you try. You'll say na shame, na stain to your name. Na stain to your name. If they pay me say, some people you sit down, they know you get sense. Eh? Which day since na start that cultist for Nigeria? Which day of don't sit down? Aye, Eye, Mafat, Bokanian, Arobaga, no sit down and still do meeting for now. Say which day? You go join the cultist, say maybe enemy of the other court. You go join the cultist, make you be enemy of the other cultist. What do you make you join cultist? What do you make you join court? You when they wash me, what do you make you join court? You join court, make you go to kill the other person, or you join court to make you deal. What do you make you join? I know you know. See what did they happen for those states now? Now this is what did they happen for those states. Are you guys happy? When be say people you go for nowhere. They don't go for nowhere. Say they be cultists, because they kill people for those states. Now they happy? Eh? Now they happy? When people you go for nowhere. You're going to kill people for those states. Now let those states for they do killing. No, no go about. No go another place. No go north. No go kill people for north. We don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. We don't hear say people where they north. That's why they kill themselves for cultist matter. Why business let those states? Why business let those states? Why those states? Where be say any small thing, now don't kill better people. Where be say supposed to be better people in future. Now don't kill all of the finish. Eh? No one be president tomorrow. No one be governor tomorrow. All the name of Aye, Bokania, Mafat. Now don't kill everybody finish. Now God will the punish all of una. Now God will the punish all of una. No, they don't get sense. Big boy where they make money, big boy where they make money. You know if you carry gun come and say I will kill a fellow person. For what reason? Now not even they drag money. Ask me to the cost quarter. If you go party now, that one say my girlfriend. Yours body didn't like my girlfriend. Very nasty things where they cause problem. Not be money not the share. Now it cause problem. Not be money cause problem. Where did they cause problem? Nothing. Since where cut is the fight for bill, we don't know it cause problem. Before you knew, they don't kill Sazua. Before you knew, they don't kill Jacob. Before you know, waiting. Oh, wakire, oh, what wakbe wakire. Bini people wakire. If you do, all the courts where they bini wakire, oh, what wakbe. Una not get sense. Okay, see una leader for inside the courts. All those ones they go meet governor. Governor the team money give them. May I tell you something? A year leader, Mafat leader, Bokania leader, Arobaga leader. Their leader, they'll go collect money for governor hand. All these small boys go they kill yourself. Una not get sense. Like me be now, all Kofra my friend. If you come and say, man, don't play with this Kofra, or man, don't do this one, now God will punish you. You the craze. All Kofra my friend. Are they mad? When did they stop? When did they stop? See now they kill everybody anyhow. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. Wait not they drag. You know the meaning of death? If you keep person don't finish, you are condemned the career. Financially, you destroy the life of that person. So you say when you born, before you all know, if your wife still the hospital, maybe the boy say want go see wife before you all know they say don't kill the boy. For what reasons? Which gain that they get? You don't kill 5 people, you say you rugged. Which gain you get? At the end, you're hungry. You don't kill 5 people. You don't call yourself say you rugged. You rugged to kill 5 people. Which gain you get for that to killing that 5 people? You bomb, you dey okay, you rich. At the end, you're going to smoke it for corner. No level for you. Big boys don't never have kill. More than constantly big boys they do. They just they zoo up and down. They just they zoo. I bet when they share this video. I want to know the whole cultists where they been. May they listen to this video. I beg all the cultists where they been. I want me to listen to this video. All their number one, all the leaders of the cultists, may they listen to this video. It's hard time for not to advance on ourselves. Why killing? Too much killing is too much. Why? If they pardon me, why? Where did they stop? None of you organize, all the leaders organize, okay, now, as we don't very rich now, nowhere they don't know the cultists. Call Europe here, call all the states for Europe. If they say cultists not, then I lie. All the states for Europe, cultists there everywhere. At the end, no benefit, nothing. Now you just to kill each other. Fool yourself up and down. Why? Why fooling yourself? You go join cultists, maybe for going to kill your own brother. What do you make you join cultists? Maybe for going to kill your own brother, that make you join cultists. Now better thing be that. You go join cultists, maybe they kill your own brother. Now better thing be that. Your own brother. Hey God, and they shame for Benin people. Wagumagba do walao, if do walao, keke wariri aje do, wanaga cultists. Walu wanegbuwa. The killing is too much. The killing is too much. Why? The killing is too much. Why killing like that? Which day all the Kofra still sit down, say still do friend. One day, all the Kofra within Nigeria, all the Kofra within Nigeria go sit down. Say, okay, most still unite together. Waiting. When I join the Kofra, they kill each other. Those days all the year back Kofra for peace, for unity. But now, not to the key. What? None of them go killing. None of them go killing. Why killing? The killing is too much. Why? It could maybe say all the number one, Aye number one, Eye number one, Bokania number one, Mafa number one, all the number one men. Mona come and call you, everybody come and call them. Mona call them. Now they crazy. I don't get judge this morning. What did they worry on now? No, not get sense. Mona go the next state. Mona go the rest state. Whether they suffer beneath, they suffer the rest state like that. Now, no. Wajare no like us. Mumu people. Mumu. Now, poverty they worry about. You know the kind of poverty where they worry wish. You get one video where I do wish they hear. I say all the wish where they Nigeria. No billionaire for wish. Now, never see billionaire for wish. Now, poor people they see for wish. That poverty life where they worry wish. Now they worry all those cultist people. That poverty